Happy days and welcome to this week's Power Shot with myself and the amazing mindset, Anna Rooney, powering in from Ireland. I am somewhere in stick country in a place called Barnstaple or Barnstaple. I don't know, but here's the thing. I am struggling with internet and I've been for the last 5 days. But we have an amazing subject this week and it is using AI and keeping your identity. Boom! Anna Rooney, what's your thoughts?
Hello, hello. What are my thoughts? Right. Very interesting topic, Paul. And I'd say AI is a buzzword everywhere at the moment.
Mhm.
And it's quite apprehensive to start, to use, to learn, but slowly, slowly. And I'm now in the heart of it.
Yeah.
And you're absolutely right about identity. What is it, AI? To me, it's another tool that you can actually research faster. And it's your own companion, I guess, there that
Ah,
you can bounce ideas, companion than actually overpowering tool that you can lose your identity. So authenticity to me as important as ever, especially nowadays
hmm,
when everything around you is AI. When you get to know how it works, it's very easy to see what content is AI and solely AI generated with no input of a human.
yeah.
And the other one where you know that there was definitely a help from AI, but it's actually a very authentic thought that drives that content.
Oh,
So,
wow. Can I can I jump in because you know I have really dragged my heels on this. After our conversation last week, you said, Paul, you have to adopt in AI. And I tell you why, I almost have this OCD in AI becoming my wisdom rather than me owning my wisdom. But from our conversations, you said, Paul, no, it won't own your wisdom, but it will bring wording in that you can then reuse and add your wisdom into. And that's been my biggest thing is I'm afraid of becoming a lazy thinker.
no, I don't think you will. And it depends. You can be a lazy thinker even without the AI, right? But how to control that? Because you're in charge of your content still.
Hmm.
Whatever AI, it's up to you to choose something that it's actually connects to your authenticity and it's your content, right? It's not that it's AI driven. It will be Paul Rees driven AI help content or say work in collaboration with it, Paul. You afraid of it, you don't want it, know about it, right? That's the way I am only talking about my own experience. I held it for so long. My kids are using it. And I'm saying, no, 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 I can wait. I can wait. And now I'm actually diving in, literally diving in. And there are a couple of things going to come very soon on this one. But I would like to show you can use it and actually enjoy using it. We already use an AI anyway. It was just taught, we didn't speak about it as much. Take your Calendly,
Yeah.
take our calendars, right? Take our Zoom links and all set automatically.
Hmm.
So AI is behind everything. But
Wow.
how are we going to work now with our content to our listeners, presented to our readers, that it's actually yours, is authentic. It came with a lot of thoughts behind it. And
Hmm.
that's where your identity comes through, right? For
Yeah.
me now, it probably takes more when I go through so much content of AI and say, which one is actually represents Anna? And that's I'm learning. It's collaboration to me. It's my teacher in some ways. In some ways, I am the teacher,
Yeah.
and now I'm learning how to customize it, not to lose your identity,
Wow.
and it
I think
has to
that's
be
I
done
think
that way, not the other way around.
I mean that has to be the priority what you said there, which is please keep your identity because I am seeing that AI is being used to elevate someone's experience that they've yet to experience, and then they are selling that out as an invoiceable product. That's the bit that I find hard.
For in a long term, Paul, I don't think it will work. And if it depends, what is your philosophy, right? Mine is authenticity.
Yeah.
And if I want to keep my identity, I will go that way. But there are some people have different philosophies,
Mm.
so we can't argue with that. But I know that I can definitely keep mine.
And there we go, Anna Rooney. Boom, our power shot for this week using AI and keeping your identity. Thank you so much for sharing philosophies. It's been very beautiful. And we'll see you this time next week. I need to get AI in my mouth. This time next week, say bye for now and boom.
Bye for now.